So yeah, good morning. Today we are riding to the port of Kitakyushu. Probably not saying that correct, but we were actually trying to stay another night in between. We couldn't find any affordable accommodation in between here and there, so we're riding all the way to Kitakyushu, and we're actually staying in a hostel there. Going back a few years since I've stayed in a hostel. I used to do a fair bit of traveling as a backpacker, but yeah, that was the only affordable accommodation we could find. We're staying in a mixed dormitory tonight, but it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today, getting up to 25 degrees, and so it should be a really nice ride, because all we've had lately has been rain and cloud, which I don't mind at all. It keeps it nice and cool, but lovely to see the sun out. So yes, say goodbye to this beautiful home. Got the copper around here. We've got all our bags ready to go. Look at all the beautiful details in this house. I'm in love.
Good morning, everyone. Well, we've checked out of our little Japanese homestay, Air BNB it was, but it was somebody's house, of course. Absolutely magnificent little place. We just stopped back there a bit and washed all the sand and grit out of our chains after being on the beach yesterday. And I got rid of my click for 10 minutes. And it's back again.
So I just stopped for a little picnic because we had some scrambled eggs for breakfast this morning, and then we also boiled some eggs for lunch.
Boiled eggs.
And I still have leftover scrambled eggs from lunch as well, and the yogurt. So look at this beautiful view. And these two beauties, of course. We go across this bridge, across one of the bridges. think we're about halfway for today. It's been a good ride so far. Beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Mainly on road, which is a little bit faster than going on the sidewalk, and the drivers are really courteous here, so
And the cars
that makes it comfortable.
The cars are small and there's no big trucks.
Yeah. Konnichiwa. Here come the little ones going on their bicycles. Konnichiwa. It's a pretty big river. The Onga River, I think.
We're off the path, back onto the urban roads. It smells very tropical here actually, for some reason or other. The birds are singing to me across the road. It's like riding around the suburbs on a Sunday afternoon. Enjoy wine, enjoy life. I like that sign. So it must be in the heart of the city.
It's not far from where we're catching the ferry.
Oh.
So I think this is the city already, isn't it?
Few kilometres to go, but I love it when I find these blue arrows. It means I can fit on the road.
So we've arrived at our hostel. It's been a long time since I've stayed at a hostel. So I've developed, on another note, there must be a tiny hole in my tyre because I had to pump it up. Only going down very slowly, but just putting a new tube in.